everyone, welcome to A Touch of Glam. For those of you who are new here, my name is Leia and I'm so ecstatic to have you here. My channel is all about glam home interior decorating. I share our home renovation process with before and afters, DIYs, clean with me, and so much more in hopes to help inspire glam home inspirational essentials. For my glam family, I know it's been quite a while and I sincerely miss you guys. We have been extremely busy with several home renovations in our house and we cannot wait to share with you all the updates we have been doing that we have finally finished in videos to come. But in today's video, I'm excited to share our master bedroom refresh. I really wanted to continue and add on some special touches to our bedroom since our last bedroom makeover. And one of that being is to transform and give our mounted TV that elegant modern look by case framing the whole TV. When it comes to decorating and creating that space in our home, it is so important to always create the atmosphere that always brings that feeling of happiness and joy by being in that room. And that's what we always aim for when it comes to transforming this master bedroom. Before we continue with this bedroom refresh, there is a giveaway in this video just to show my appreciation to each and every one of you for all the love and support. I thank God for you all and I'm so blessed to have you be part of the Glam family. I will be giving one of you $100 cash via PayPal, and all you have to do is be a subscriber of this channel, like this video, share this video to any of your social medias, or simply text message it to your family and friends and comment below how you have shared it. For an added entry, you can follow me on Instagram. All the information for this giveaway will be on the description box below. Be sure to turn on that notification button for this channel so you never miss out on new contents. And for all the products you see in this bedroom, I will provide all that I can provide on the description box below. Once again, thank you so much for being here and I hope you enjoy this video. Please continue watching till the end to see how we have glam refreshed this room and for the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you inspiration and motivation to also transform your bedroom with all the glam decorating we have shared. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I hope to see you on the next video. God bless you all abundantly. Sending you all air hugs. Bye!